G'day! If you're like me and the game is crashing, or Fallout London is crashing when you go new game, what you got to do is when you first start press new game, it'll go to a black screen, then it'll start loading up what looks like an old graphic. If you're on PC or using a PC controller, mash the T button as soon as you hit new game. If you're playing on console, or if you're playing with a Xbox controller, mash Y. I'm going to assume it's mash triangle on a PlayStation controller, but it will demonstrate what's freezing. So if I go new game and go load, right about now I would start mashing Y and mashing T, depending on the speed of your PC. Even if it's sitting there just lightly tapping it, it should skip it right here, about now, and we're frozen. So that's what's happening with mine. Basically, just as that audio starts playing, if you press Y or mash T, that should hopefully skip it for you and get you into the game. Granted, you won't see the cutscene, but that's not too bad. Let's demonstrate the skip now. Round 2. So we're loading, and I'd say about now I'm going to start tapping it. And there we go. Bypassed. Granted, I didn't see the video, but I can quickly look that up on the internet quite easily. But if you're on PC, hit T, this will get you into here, and from there you should be able to play. Bye.